Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for the SPACE42 crash. So most of the investors they invested in SPACE42 because last year happened for they diluted for the shares. They merged together with Binard as well as for Aljast. So what happened right now? Why there should be a crash happen for this respective share? Okay. So what will be the technical indicators we'll be seeing right now? What is the current position? Okay, and when it will boost up? So these all information will be contained in this video. So those who invested already, or suppose if you're going to invest in this share for the future, this will be the useful guidance for each and every one. So let's see. What happened for SPACE42 shares? So everybody knows the current share price of this respective share will be 1.58 AED. Okay, earlier it was on 2.38, around 2.4, around 2.5 earlier. But if you're looking for right now for the stock performance of this stock for the last 24 hours, respective stock declined for 3%, that is 3.07% decline for 24 hours. And if you're looking for 1 year stock performance, in a sense, there should be a decline in 42.96 percentage. Okay, so this much of decline happened for this specific share. Okay, this share will be coming under for telecom industry. So this much of fall has been happened. So if you're looking for right now will be on 17th. Okay, I'm taking this video on 17th April. We can compare last 2 years what happened, what will be the performance. There should be a upward movement or downward. That is what the comparison has been done over here. So if you're looking for 2023, okay, so 17.21%, that should be a negative only, or same 17th April. Okay, so for 2025 there should be a decline in 21.39% while we are comparing with 2024. So this is what the stock performance right now while we are comparing for the particular date. So the 1 year decline will be in 46%. So most of the investor will be in panic, right? So about the stock price performance. And next, which we are looking for, earning and valuation. What happened for the earning for the SPACE42 point of view, and how they valued. Valuation, in a sense, mainly we focus for PE ratio, right? So in terms of earning, if you're looking in a sense for 2024 revenue, that is 629 million, there should be a 19% decrease while you are comparing with the previous. So if the net profit, if you're looking in a sense, $62.3 million, and EPS, there should be a decline of 19% due to dilution. Due to dilution, in a sense, number of shares will be increased due to merger. Okay, because they have provided for free shares those who already hold for respective company, because in 2024 Aljast and Binard that should be joined together, so the merger happened. So by that reason there should be a dilution and EPS will be declined for 19%. And if you're looking for PE ratio, that is 21.94%. And I already posted one video related to fundamental analysis, specially focused for this PE ratio, how much important this PE ratio for the investors. Okay, so the PE ratio will be in what level you need to buy. Okay, in what level you should not touch for respective stock. That everything I explained over there. For fundamental analysis, if you know at any company you can invest, you not even focus for the technical, because most of the investor they are looking for long term only, because most of the viewers as well as for most of the subscriber of this channel, they are sending for comments, right? They are looking for long term growth only. The short term growth investors will be very less. So if you're looking for long term growth, you can focus for fundamental analysis. A bunch of playlist is available related to fundamental analysis. Better you can go through it, each and everything. It's a theoretical point of view, it's available. When you need to take a stock, when you should not touch a stock, related to PE and other ratios, other important ratios also. So if you not even watch so far, I will give the link at end of this video. Just you can click and you can look over there. That will be the easy guidance to you. So right now if you're looking for SPACE42 P ratio, price earning ratio will be 21.94. So this 21.94 we are comparing with the sector PE. So this respective company belongs to telecom industry. Okay, so sector PE will be 4.9. So while you are comparing with 4.9, it will be much higher. Okay, so the stock will be, the valuation will be higher, the earning will be low. That is what it meant. Okay, so from here for 2024 it's not a good year for this SPACE42 in point of view earning as well as for the valuation. Next, we are looking for investor sentiment. Who's the investor? We are all the investor, right? So what we will think, the first we will think for sustainability of high valuation, because the PE ratio will be high, 21. The sector PE will be only in 4 only. So how it will come, how it will fall. When it fall down, then only the share price movement will be there, right? So the PE ratio need to be reduced, in a sense what the company need to do, what investor need to do. That kind of tension every investor should possess. And for the second one, lack of earning growth. If the PE ratio will be higher, okay, the volume will be less and liquidity is also less, so we will not get for any earning. In other point of view, if you are looking for dividend, in a sense, suppose dividend also not get for the investor, in a sense, those who already invested for the respective share, they not even get anything else. There is no capital appreciation, there is no dividend growth, it will be in zero, right? So the investors will be in panic. If you're looking for technical analysis also, it will show for warning sign. It means what? You need to sold the stock. How we can sell this sell respective stock already in negative, right? So what we need to do as an investor, we should have a patience. Okay, if you invested for respective stock market, that should, right now if you're looking for panic movement in all over the world, not only for UAE, for this specific SPACE42, because major fall for this one, Druya 3 will be a failure, right? As well as many backlogs will be there for earnings. Already they have provided services, but they not even get for the money. That is around 7 billion. That is also we can look over here. So these are all the things. And in terms of technical factor point of view, what technical factor says right now, we need to invest, or already invested people, we need to sell respective stock or not. By the point of view RSI, that is relative strength index, right now it's showing for 41.42. In a sense, it should be a neutral to weak momentum. So normally we can say RSI below 30, in a sense, the oversold. All the people getting panic and they are selling for the stock, like that we can say. If it is above 70, in a sense, we can say for already overbought happened. So at any time the stock will fall, right? So below 30 oversold and above 70 will be overbought. So these kind of scenarios we need to focus whether you need to enter into a market or no, whether we need to buy or sell. But if you're looking over here, we can't predict it will go below 30 or it will go above, that is above 50 or 60, like that. So right now the momentum will be in neutral by the point of view RSI. And beta, if you're looking in, as in 0.91. What is beta? Under the CAPA model, capital asset pricing model, we can say those who studied for MBA finance, in a sense, you people, as well as for CFA students and analytical, that is analyst, those people knows very well for CAPA model. By that way also we can predict for the respective stock price. And from here, in a simple way, I will tell you what is beta. Beta, in a sense, it is a systematic risk. Okay, in otherwise we can call it as a market risk. So from here it has given for 0.91 for the security, while they are comparing with market risk of respective security. So which is a security? That is SPACE42 has a security. If it is above 1, more volatile will be there. Okay, if the beta above 1, in a sense, more volatile will be there. If it is below 1, in a sense, that should be less volatile. What is volatile? The price movement. When price movement will occur? If more investor buy and sell. Okay, more investors in the market, if more volume in the market of respective stock, in a sense, there should be a volatile will be occurred. So from here the beta is showing for 0.91, it means low volatile. So many investors, they not willing to invest for the respective stock. So in order to take our money, in a sense, in the market there is no buyer and seller is available. Even though if you're placing an order, so there is no investor is available, in a sense, how we can return back our money, how we can make into convert our money, right? How we can make into liquidate. So such kind of things. So the stock will be less volatile right now. So beta is 9.1, that reflect for volume as well as liquidity. That's the reason I have mentioned over here as low, because the investing person will be less, so volume is also less. And if your liquidity, in a sense, what, easily you can convert into in cash. So that is also not possible at the moment for SPACE42. So again, the technical indicator shows the sign of warning sign. So it will be under pressure for the investors. That is what the sign it's showing. So right now we have looked for revenue and technical indicator, everything showing for panic moment only. Okay, again it will fall down, such kind of indication only showing. So already those who invested at the rate of 2.4 rate, such kind of investor will raise a query. Right now the stock price is 1.58, almost you will get the revenue loss of around 35 to 40, right? So such kind of cases, if you're selling, in a sense, you will be face loss. So what will happen when it will boost up for the respective company, in a sense? Because SPACE42, everybody knows it is related to AI driven company. right? And as well as for satellite launching also. Why such kind of loss occurred? For the last year, Drea 3 will be in failure, as well as backlogs. That is also I told you. And when it will boost up in a sense, coming 9th, that is May 9th, they will publish for their revenue report. Suppose if there is any surprise will happen, there should be a revenue growth is occurred in a sense, automatically respective share price will boost up. Many investor will invest in this market. So those who invested right now and this people, you will be getting benefited when stock will boost up. So once released for this revenue report, if it is we can think that it will be a positive sign of every investors. In other point of view, if you're looking in a sense, why I told you you need a patience. So you can look over here. So this respective company revenue generation of these 4 parts, that is a government contract already available, that revenue 80% will be backlog, that is around for 7 billion they not even received. They already given for the signed for the agreement, okay, as well as the revenue point of view, they provided the service but they not even get payment so far. So definitely if it is coming in a sense, automatically revenue point of view, there should be a positive movement will be there. And if you're comparing with satellite service in a sense, that is what I told you, 3 will be failure, but right now they are doing the work of Drea 4 launch in 2025. So if there is a positive movement, if it is success in a sense, definitely respective share price will be in high rocket, because this will be AI driven company in not only in UAE, it's available for Europe and other global also. So if you're looking for this respective company, search another exchange also you can look at. So there should be a massive growth will be available, okay. And if you're looking for next one, geospatial analytics, there should be $100 million collaboration will be there, which is related to AI driven intelligence expansion, okay, for the data analytics and everything else they will do, as well as for the smart solution, that is Binary. They already did for smart solution only, and they are expecting for 2025 multi-year project. There are they will invite for new multi-year projects. So if you're comparing these all those things, there should be progress will be there. If everything will progress, automatically respective share price will boost up. So those who are getting panic in this share, I already invested, really I'm getting mad, why I need to invest for respective stock in a sense, don't get panic, okay. From the future, if all those things will be boost up in a sense, definitely the respective stock price is also boost up, okay. So I think this respective video you have learned about little things, right? I'm not saying you have learned for massive, but even though those who are looking for such kind of video, why it has been fall, definitely it will boost up, or this kind of scenario will happen in a sense. I think this will be the small gist to you, okay. You will be happy. This year you can expect there should be a positive movement for this respective share, okay. Definitely for coming years you can get it for dividend also, this respective share, okay. So if it is useful, you can like, as well as you can comment below. This will be the helpful thing to do for more videos. Some of my viewers, already existing viewers as well as subscribers, each and every video whenever I post, the particular person, once they watched us fully, they will give a comment to me, okay. So for the next video I will post for those person name also, okay. That will be the good for each and every one. So this will be the free of things, right? Once you learn from someone else, you're not going to give for any monetary benefit. This will be the reply for the like as well as comment. That is a boost of me in a positive way to do for more videos, because this title some of the subscriber asked me, by that way only I made it. But that respective subscriber, they will watch for each and every video and they will comment. I'm not telling everything required in a positive way, okay. Suppose if you expect something from this video but that is not covered in a sense, at least I can cover for the next video, right? So I'm expecting for your comment for this video. So let's see. Thank you everyone, thank you for watching this. Bye.